Mars, the Red Planet, a world that has intrigued us for generations. It's a name that sparks our imagination and fills us with wonder, a place where science fiction meets reality. This celestial neighbor has captivated humans for centuries, from ancient astronomers to modern-day scientists. Its rusty hue, visible even from Earth, hints at a world of mysteries waiting to be uncovered, a planet that holds secrets beneath its surface. But why is Mars red? What gives it that distinctive color? The answer lies in its iron-rich rocks, which are abundant on the Martian surface. Imagine a car rusting over time. That's essentially what happened to Mars on a planetary scale. Over billions of years, the iron on its surface reacted with oxygen, creating iron oxide or rust, which spread across the planet. This gives Mars its distinctive red color, a hue that has become synonymous with the planet itself. But Mars is much more than just a rusty ball of rock. It's a planet with diverse landscapes and dynamic weather patterns. It's a dynamic world with a fascinating history, and it holds tantalizing clues about the potential for life beyond Earth, clues that we are only beginning to understand. Join us on this journey as we unravel the secrets of the Red Planet, exploring its past, present, and future. Are you ready for an adventure? An adventure that could change our understanding of the universe? Let's explore the wonders of Mars together and see what this incredible planet has to offer. Imagine driving a robotic explorer across the surface of another planet. It's like having a remote-controlled car, but on a grand interplanetary scale. That's exactly what scientists are doing right now with rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance. These rovers are not just machines, they are pioneers, blazing trails on the Martian surface. These incredible machines are our eyes and ears on Mars. Equipped with state-of-the-art instruments, they capture high-definition images and gather crucial data. Curiosity has been roaming Gale Crater since 2012, studying its geology and searching for signs of past life. It has traveled over 25 kilometers, analyzing rock samples and sending back invaluable information. Its findings have been groundbreaking. From discovering complex organic molecules to detecting methane spikes, Curiosity has reshaped our understanding of Mars. It discovered evidence of an ancient lake, suggesting that Mars was once a much warmer and wetter place. This finding hints at the possibility that life could have existed there billions of years ago. Perseverance, the newest rover on the block, landed in Jezero Crater in 2021. This crater was chosen because it is believed to have once been a lake bed, making it a prime location to search for signs of ancient life. Its mission is even more ambitious, to search for signs of ancient microbial life and collect rock samples for future return to Earth. These samples could hold the key to understanding whether life ever existed on Mars. These rovers are sending back incredible data and images, revolutionizing our understanding of Mars. Every byte of data and every image transmitted helps scientists piece together the planet's history. Each discovery brings us closer to answering the ultimate question: was there ever life on the Red Planet? The quest continues, and with each new mission, we get one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of Mars. The search for life as we know it always starts with water. Water is essential for all known forms of life, and finding it on another planet is a monumental discovery. And guess what? We've found compelling evidence of water on Mars. This isn't just a small find, it's a groundbreaking revelation. This is a huge deal. It suggests that Mars could have once supported life, and it raises the possibility that life might still exist there today. Imagine the implications for our understanding of life in the universe. While liquid water can't exist on the Martian surface today due to the thin atmosphere, we've found ice caps at the poles and evidence of subsurface water. These ice caps could potentially be sources of water for future human missions. Some scientists believe that liquid water might even flow briefly on the surface in certain conditions. These seasonal dark streaks could be signs of transient water activity. The presence of water on Mars is a game changer in our understanding of the planet's past and its potential for harboring life. It opens up new avenues for research and exploration. It's a key piece of the puzzle as we continue to explore this enigmatic world. With each discovery, we get closer to unraveling the mysteries of Mars and its capacity to support life. The possibility of life on Mars has fascinated humans for centuries. And while we haven't found any little green men yet, the evidence we've gathered so far keeps the dream alive. The presence of water, organic molecules, and potentially habitable environments in Mars' past suggests that life could have arisen there. And while the surface is harsh and unforgiving today, life might still exist underground, shielded from the radiation and extreme temperatures. The search for life on Mars is one of the most profound scientific endeavors of our time. If we were to find even the simplest life forms on another planet, it would revolutionize our understanding of our place in the cosmos. It would mean that we are not alone. Section 5. The Red Planet's Turbulent Past. Mars wasn't always a cold, dry desert. Billions of years ago, it was a much more active and dynamic place. It had a thicker atmosphere, a warmer climate, and even flowing rivers and lakes. So what happened? Scientists believe that Mars lost its magnetic field, which exposed its atmosphere to the solar wind. This stripped away much of the Martian atmosphere, causing the planet to cool and dry out over time. But the evidence of this turbulent past is still visible today. We see it in the massive volcanoes, deep canyons, and vast plains shaped by ancient floods. By studying these features, we can piece together the history of Mars and understand how it became the planet we see today. Section 6. Volcanoes, canyons, and polar ice caps. Mars is home to some of the most awe-inspiring geological formations in our solar system. Take Olympus Mons, for example. It's the largest volcano in the solar system, 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Then there's Valles Marineris, a canyon system so grand that it makes the Grand Canyon look like a ditch. It stretches for thousands of miles across the Martian surface. And let's not forget the polar ice caps, made up of both water ice and frozen carbon dioxide. These ice caps grow and shrink with the seasons, creating dynamic patterns on the Martian surface. These incredible features tell the story of Mars's dynamic past and provide clues about the forces that shaped this alien world. As Section 7. Could humans live on Mars someday? The idea of humans traveling to and even living on Mars has captured our imaginations for generations. Could it become a reality someday? The challenges are immense. We need to develop technologies for safe and sustainable space travel, create habitats that protect humans from the harsh Martian environment, and find ways to produce food, water, and other essential resources on a planet with limited resources. Despite the challenges, the dream of becoming a multiplanetary species is a powerful one. And with continued innovation and exploration, humans on Mars might not be science fiction for much longer. Section 8. Mysteries of the Martian moons. Mars has 2 small moons, Phobos and Deimos, named after the Greek gods of fear and panic. These moons are much smaller than our own moon and have irregular shapes. Phobos, the larger of the 2, orbits Mars so closely that it's actually slowly spiraling inward. Scientists predict that it will eventually break apart or collide with Mars millions of years from now. The origin of these moons is still a mystery. Were they asteroids captured by Mars' gravity, or did they form from debris ejected from the planet during a massive impact? Further exploration of these moons could provide valuable insights into the formation and evolution of Mars and its planetary system. Section 9. The future of Mars exploration. The exploration of Mars is just beginning. Future missions are already being planned that will continue to unravel the Red Planet's secrets. These missions include sending more advanced rovers, deploying drones to explore the Martian atmosphere, and even returning samples of Martian rock and soil to Earth for detailed analysis. The knowledge and experience we gain from exploring Mars will not only advance our understanding of the planet itself, but also help us prepare for future human missions to Mars and beyond. Section 10. Mars, inspiring humanity's next giant leap. The exploration of Mars is more than just a scientific endeavor. It's a testament to human curiosity, ingenuity, and our innate desire to push the boundaries of knowledge and explore the unknown. Mars represents the next giant leap for humanity. It's a challenging and ambitious goal, but one that has the potential to unite us in a common purpose and inspire generations to come. As we continue to explore the Red Planet, we are reminded of the boundless possibilities that lie ahead and the importance of embracing our role as explorers and caretakers of our cosmic backyard.